I think I should put this in my brother's hair so that it looks like he has dreads. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to install these crochet braids. Do these not look so real? Like, do they not look like real dreadlocks? So cute. So these dreadlocks that I use are from Sister. So these are the braids that I use, and as you can see, these are the leftovers. Sorry, this is my crochet. So these are the ones that remained. I only used one pack and a few strands, and this was the remaining pack because I bought about 2 packs. Do they not look real, guys? They do. They do look real. I got these braids from Super Duper Cosmetics, which is located in Kenya. I don't think they're here in Rwanda. I don't think they are in Uganda either. I only know that they're in Kenya, so I'm not sure. But if you can get them, well and good. I think it's a very cool protective style. What else? I also bought them for 500 Kenyan shillings. I don't know how much that is in Rwandan francs or in Ugandan shillings, but I guess it's the same as when you're buying a braid. I don't know. And you can reuse them whenever you want. Let me go ahead and show you how I was able to achieve this style. So this is the braids I was able to make after washing and deep conditioning my hair and moisturizing it. So my hair is freshly moist, and this is how it looks like. So I'm just gonna go and show you how exactly I was able to make these crochet. So I've already used 1 pack of the crochet. This is the second pack, and this is how it looks like. So this is the Sister Crochet Reggae braid. It's in color number 2, so it's not really dark. I'm gonna go ahead and open and show you how it looks like. You guys, I'm sorry, I have a cold, so if you hear me sneezing or, oh my gosh, if you hear me sneezing or anything like that, or my voice has changed, it's because I have a cold. So this is how it looks like. Oh wow. So this is how it looks like. It looks so natural, like it looks like dreads. So cool. Give me 1 second. I need a few of this. And of course you need your crochet. This is how it looks like. And this is the strand, and what I did was I put them together like this so that they can be even. And then what I did was I put this crochet in. Hold on, give me a second. I put my crochet like this. I grabbed my dread and then put it together, and then you want it to go through, so it should be more like this, like this. So you make sure that it is even. So I have 3 of this and my hair. So what I did was I just braided it with my hair. And whenever you're trying to do a protective style, make sure that your hair is fully washed, fully moisturized. Make sure that it has maximum moisture if you're going to put it in protective style for a long period of time. So this end, what I do is I crochet it like this so that all the hair is tucked in. There we go. So that's basically what I was able to do, and I just leave this like this. Yeah, so basically that's how I did it. I'm going to show you one more time how I did. So this is my hair. This is my hair. And then I just put in the crochet, grab my crochet braid, and then go through it with it and make sure that all goes through, and then make sure that it's even, and then just braid. So I'm gonna be having this hair for a month. I am going for a holiday and I just thought I would protect my hair so that I don't have to do anything with it. I honestly don't like to take care of my hair when I'm on a holiday. I just want to I just want to be, you know, I don't want to have to wake up in the morning and take care of my natural hair. So I usually put it in a protective style before I go for a holiday. So that's why I wanted to show you exactly how I crochet my dreads. And yeah, so like I said, at the end I just make sure that it is all tucked in. There we go. And then voila, like that. And then I'm gonna do this one too. Just make sure that your braid, when you braid your hair, you make it a little bit loose. You don't make it tight because you want to make sure that the crochet braid passes through your hair. So you just make a braid, literally, that's what I do. So this is how it looks like. So here it's like that, and then from here to here it's braided up.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
And so you go ahead and braid the end. So this is my hair. This is the remaining hair, so I want to make sure that I crochet it inside so that it doesn't come out. It looks neat. And so this is it. So simple.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say.
So this is how my hair looks like. It's cute, and I think I can wear this for like a month or more. I don't know, depends on how it's gonna be looking. And then I'm gonna add some other accessories. My African accessories. Do you see how natural they look? So this is how it was able to turn out. And I tried to just put it up just to make like a little style, but you can see that the crochet dreads look real like dreads. And of course you can lay your baby hairs. Just not a person who lays my baby hairs all the time, so but you can always lay your baby hairs, make yourself look cute, put on your big earrings if you like. I mean, I think it's a cute style. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I want to thank all of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for the love and support on my YouTube channel. And if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, I want you to go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and put on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a video. I post videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.